In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build, export, and use your Asana reporting dashboard. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by the amount of data in your projects and long for a way to see everything clearly, this is the guide you've been waiting for. We'll kick things off by exploring how to make the most of project dashboards in Asana. To begin, open any project you're working on in Asana. Once inside the project, navigate to the Dashboard tab located at the top of your screen. This section is your gateway to visualizing project data with ease. Here you can add various types of charts. Think about plotting charts like tasks by status to see what's in the to-do, in progress, and completed stages, or even tasks by assignee to check who's handling what. Overdue tasks are another insightful chart to add, helping you keep track of what needs immediate attention, and don't forget to add a chart for tasks completed this week to monitor productivity trends. As you add these charts, take some time to customize their colors and layout to make the data visually appealing and easy to understand. This dashboard setup is perfect for those looking to track a single team's progress at a glance. Now, if you're in need of something more comprehensive, you can build advanced reports using Asana's universal reporting. Start by clicking on Reporting from the sidebar, which will open the possibilities of creating organization-wide insights. Here, you can create a new dashboard, this time pulling data from multiple projects. An example could be setting up charts like marketing campaigns, open tasks by priority, or all projects, overdue tasks by assignee. This approach is ideal for leaders who need a bird's-eye view of several projects. Once you've tailored your dashboard to your liking, remember to share it with your stakeholders to keep everyone in the loop with real-time data. Next, let's fine-tune your dashboards by customizing charts and filters. When you're crafting charts, leverage filters to, for instance, show tasks due only this week or highlight only high-priority tasks. Grouping is another powerful tool, allowing you to organize data by assignee, project, or custom fields, helping you craft a comprehensive narrative on a single dashboard. For example, a product manager might want to see tasks by status, track bugs reported versus resolved, or monitor roadmap progress by milestones. Finally, automation can save you time, enhance accuracy, and keep data flowing smoothly. Schedule weekly reporting emails for your dashboards, ensuring everyone stays updated consistently. Export data to Google Sheets if you need to perform more advanced analysis. And for those who love integrations, use tools like Zapier or Make to sync your Asana data with Notion, Power BI, or Tableau for even deeper insights. By the end of this guide, you'll have taken significant strides in mastering your Asana reporting skills, giving you the power to visualize your projects with clarity and effectiveness.